Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to install Memcached in Ubuntu 24.04. In this video, we will guide you through the process of installing and configuring Memcached on Ubuntu 24.04. We'll cover the prerequisites, step-by-step installation, and key configuration to optimize your caching system for improved performance and scalability. Here, Memcached is a powerful in-memory caching system that boosts web application performance by reducing database load. In this guide, we'll cover how to install, configure, how to connect, and also how to secure the Memcached on Ubuntu 24.04. Here, the prerequisites for installing Memcached on Ubuntu 24.04 are SSH access with admin privileges and Ubuntu 24.04. First of all, we have to install Memcached. For that, use this following command. Now, we have to verify the Memcached installation. For that, use this following command. As you can see, this is a version of the Memcached. Now, we have to configure Memcached. The main configuration file is located in this configuration. We have to open this in Nano. For that, use this command. Let me clear this. Here we can configure all the Memcached. As you can see here, this is the memory. This is the default connection port. In this, you can place your IP address or you use this default IP address. Here, we have to uncomment this number of connections. Now save and exit. Now we have to apply the change. For that, we have to restart. For that, use this following command. Now let's check the status of the memcached. For that, use this following command. As you can see, it is active. Now we have to enable memcached on boot. For that, use this command. It's enabled on boot now. Now we have to test memcached. For that, we have to install telnet. For that, use this following command. Click on enter. It is done. Now we have to connect to memcached. For that, we'll use this command. Let me clear this. Now we are connected. Now we have to give the data. For that, I am giving this data. Click on enter. Now the data is stored. To retrieve this data, we can use this command. As you can see, this is the data which we have inserted. Now, if you want to exit the telnet, you can use quit command. So now we have to install the PHP and the memcached module. For that, use this command. Now we have to create a new sample page script. For that, we have to connect to Memcached. First, use this command. We'll open the configuration. Now, for example, I'm pasting this content. I'll paste it in the configuration and I'll save and exit. Now, we have to run the script using PHP and to test connection to the Memcached. For that, use this following command. As you can see, Memcached script is running here. If you see in the configuration file, we gave this command. So this text came as the output here. This is the output. Now we have to secure Memcached. To ensure the firewall, we have to use this command. Click on Y and click on enter. As you can see, the firewall is active. Now we have to allow access only from the localhost. For that, use this command. In this, you can use your IP address and the port is 11211, which was in the configuration file. Now click on enter. You can see the rule added. It will only allow from this IP address. Now, if you want to block other external connections other than this IP address, you can use this command. Rule added. Now, if you want to check the status of the firewall rules, you can use this command. These are the rules which we gave. So this is how to install Memcached on Ubuntu 24.04. Thank you.